After months of back and forth with the legislature, Governor Newsom has signed a bill into law designed to keep gas prices in check.
That law allows the state to set new rules for fuel storage and refinery maintenance to prevent price spikes. KTVU's Tom Vakar has details on the plan and how much of an effect it will ultimately have on our gas prices. Tom?
That is a very important question, but it is fair to say that Newsom and the legislature's Democrats, most of them, have drawn a long, litigious line in the sand, and this is just the opening volley.
Price of crude oil goes down. There's no increase in taxes. You're seeing gas prices drop across the rest of the country, but spike in California. And they're screwing you. They've been screwing you for years and years and years. There's no other way to put it. You can't sugarcoat this. And they lied again over the course of the last few weeks.
Indeed, the oil companies and their main lobbying group, the Western States Petroleum Association, has run a massive ad campaign saying that the price of gas in California comes directly from excessive regulations and excessive taxes. UC Berkeley energy economist Severin Bornstein says that there's still a difference in California prices compared to other states that simply cannot be explained by adjusting for regulations and taxes.
Since 2015, California has averaged 30 to 50 cents higher than the rest of the country after controlling for our higher taxes and environmental fees, a total of $60 billion. This new law, if it had been in effect during that time, may have reduced that by $5 billion. It's not nothing, but it's not most of the problem.
The Western States Petroleum Association also released a statement about today's bill saying, in part, quote, legislators still fail to understand our industry or what drives high gas prices. Regulators remain fixated on controlling businesses with more taxes, fees, and other costly demands. Newsom argues he knows all too well.
Big oil does not have your back, period. Full stop.
Bigger danger to prices is the Middle East if it goes into an area-wide war. Well, then oil prices could skyrocket, and there is absolutely no protection from that. Tom Vakar, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
You know, you would think you'd sign the bill into law, end of story, but at the top, Tom, you said this is just the opening volley.
Well, it's the opening volley even for this law because this lays the groundwork for the California Energy Commission, highly knowledgeable, to sit there and try to figure out what the regulations will be. They're going to be fought by that tooth and nail by the oil industry every step of the way. And then, of course, once they come up with those rules, they'll be subject to litigation and challenges. So it's got a ways to go, but at least it's moving forward, and that's what the governor wanted.
Yep, one step as many more lay ahead. Tom Vakar, thanks so much for that live report.
Sure.